make the Rasmalai cake, I'm using my signature vanilla recipe. You can find this recipe on the channel. We will also share a link to the description. And let's first tot it. So I'm removing the topmost layer, the dome shape basically, and then totting into two. Use a serrated knife, that is going to be really helpful. And the sponge is super soft. Go super slow, otherwise you might just damage the sponge. Okay, so this is how it looks. See, beautiful texture, our eggless vanilla recipe. So now we will start assembling the cake. First and foremost, you have to apply a little bit cream on the base so that you can stick your sponge. Right, and then I'm using store-bought Rasmalai today. This is Rasmalai milk. So please soak your sponge beautifully with the milk. See, the sponge is so good that it's getting absorbed immediately. So which means your sponge has been baked properly. Now once done, make a well like a border. Then fill in with a little cream inside, not too much, and spread it generously. After that, fill in with your Rasmalai pieces. I prefer using the smaller ones because they come bite size, so it's easier when you cut through your cake. Fill in nicely, and then again a little bit of juice to top it up. Now I prefer doing a double border so that your filling doesn't ooze out, right? Now keep your sponge, the next layer, soak it again. Once this step is done, now start piping your cake. So you can either use the same piping bag or you can use a palette knife, however you're comfortable. Just apply cream on all the sides. And onto the top too. So once done, take a bench scraper and start smoothing the sides. Just go all across. Level out the top. Don't worry if you're just a beginner. Keep on practicing and then you can master the skill. Don't worry. Give it a final spin. And now just fold in. And go a swirl. Round. Okay. So now I want to do a little drip. This is white chocolate drip, mixing white chocolate and a little bit of cream in the ratio 3:1, and I have added yellow color to it. I want to do drip on one side. So just start with one edge. Use spoon, that is going to be easier for you, and just guide the drips. How beautiful it looks, right? I just want to do it to one side. I think a little bit more on this side. That's it, just halfway through. Okay, so now on this side only I want to pipe. I'm using a Wilton 1M tip, so I don't want to do something very elaborate. Maybe 4-5 tiny rosettes. And because it's a Rasmalai cake, so let's add some Rasmalais here. Just turn it towards me, see it better. This looks beautiful. And then see how beautiful it looks. I also want to top it up with a little bit of dried rose petal. It's completely your choice how you want to decorate it. These are beautiful in aroma and they go really well with Rasmalai cakes. So see how beautiful and gorgeous it looks. Do give it a try and let us know how you like it. Thank you.